Something doesn't work with this new Allow Multiple Selections feature in Google Sheets. Let me explain what Allow Multiple Selections is and why this particular filter function in the menu will not work, and what you can do to solve that problem. We have some parties we're planning. We have different committees for each party. We have the planners listed here. And in this drop-down menu, what we've done is we've gone over to the edit button. We've scrolled down and we select this Allow Multiple Selections. This is a brand new feature in Google Sheets and it's really, really overdue. I've been wanting this for years. I don't know about you. But this is a really awesome feature that allows us to add multiple people to these committees here. We can add Bart. If we want to create a filter of just Bart, we go over to this committee, we click down here, and notice the only selections are the exact text that's in each cell, not each individual person. So this filter function in the menu bar will not work. What we need to do, in order to see every single party that Bart is in the committee for, we'll go next to Bart, go equals, filter. We're going to filter this range of the committees. Actually, we don't want the committees. We want C column, C2:C. But we're going to have the condition be search. We're going to search for Bart, and we're going to search in this. And now we have a list of each one that Bart is a part of. We can combine this by saying join, let's say. We can add a comma between each one. And now we have a list of every single party that Bart is a part of. So that gives you a little bit of a workaround where this filter menu bar item doesn't work anymore. If you found this very helpful, you'll find other videos here on Better Sheets on YouTube so much more helpful. Subscribe, it really helps.